in the truck.
It's not like freezing cold. It's just, you know, takes the nip off.
When you turn this corner, you know it's so
Yep.
No,
See, that's what I would worry about too, about the puppet. But your pockets are deep where it'll stay in there?
I don't have mine. Oh.
No, him.
Oh, he's using it.
Hey, listen to me. Are you freezing your off yet?
Not like I was. It's a little nippy, but not.
Right. But when we start moving, we won't be thinking about it.
Yeah, I will, because my cold effects guy is different.
Yeah, but this is nothing cold compared to like if we were at the other place right now, you know? Because that's really freezing. You know, this is just, you know, a little bit cold. But if the sun was out right now really strong, we'd be not even thinking about
It
this.
would be like 86. We just never made it to the park and opened
This early. I know.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Yeah?
Alright.
You're not
Yeah.
planning on going under, you're just going to your shoulders. Are you going all the
I
way
don't know
under?
what I'm
Does that
doing.
cool you off? Or, I mean,
I have no idea.
do it better?
I'm
That way.
just trying to get up my mojo to go.
Yep.
Alright.
Look at it. I mean, you run, but you get that freedom of it helps you run, you know?
Alright.
It's cool. I love it. Love this place.
Okay. Gonna do it. It's like falling off
What are you
a
gonna
cliff
do?
right
You
here.
gonna go forward or backward? Oh, that's what you do. See ya! Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo!
See how they do me? They just leave. It's gonna be cold. Oh, that's nice. No, no.
Hey, we're not gonna pick up people, are we?
Hi, babe. Your turn to go under. Yeah.
Whoa.
Let the water take you.
I thought I was getting close to the wall. Didn't want to hit the wall.
You don't have to go under. No. Nice duck there. If it looks like a duck and quacks like a duck.
It is a duck.
Here you go, babe.
We were kind of trying to keep it slow for you to catch up. There was a time it was easier to park them in.
Well, I guess it is somewhat waterproof.
Well, the test will be after it's out of the water if it still works.
Yeah.
That's the true test.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, if he's on the side, it'll pick up his feet.
Yeah, he's almost caught up now. And later today, we're going to want it to be cold. I'm just trying to not start out with my eye working. I've never experienced like this.
Remember, and I do it all the time. I don't know how you...
I don't know. If I got some lotion in it, I don't know what started it, but I just wouldn't give up. No, I use the face stuff always, and I do it, and I probably get a little bit better not where it goes.
I shouldn't have told her, babe.
Yeah, I think so. You know, the water's probably...
I didn't think you wanted to cut it out.
No, I don't. Are you filming? That's going to be a lot of filming.
Only.
I was going to say, he's not going to do it all the
Just
time.
need a little segment. And then that way you leave it on. But
Taking it back up?
Yeah, I might.
Wait, I should be video of you trying to get out, because this is hilarious.
Oh, okay. Well, plus we should have got out.
We'll wait for you at the destination.
Okay.